Hi everyone, my name is Sara Metti, and in today's Insider Tip video, I'll be discussing effective strategy for seeking help when it comes to research. So asking for assistance is a fundamental aspect of growth, and there's no reason to feel ashamed about it. Remember that each one of us is a unique learning journey, so comparing ourselves to others isn't productive. So please ask for help whenever it's needed. When it comes to good resources, help from your fellow lab mates will become invaluable. You can ask your senior lab mates, your advisor, or your community member, and they're all there to support you and guide you throughout your research journey. And as you embark in your research group or in a new research opportunity, it's always good to ask other people in the group, such as your members or your advisor, for the best review papers of your field, the most influential paper in your field, and they can also try to suggest the most suitable textbooks for your study area, and they can recommend the relevant courses that will enhance your knowledge. They've already taken them, so they know what are the best courses offered by your school to succeed in your study area. Another thing that I'd like to point out is that being skilled in research doesn't necessarily correlate with excelling in your classes. So you might have a little bit of a hard time when you start. These two are two very different things, but that doesn't indicate they are not cut out for research. Recognize this distinction and, trying to get help as early as possible if you need it, obviously. It's going to just make you a better researcher. But before reaching for help, when it comes to asking help to anyone, make sure you've given your best effort. Demonstrate that you're thoroughly tried to solve the issue on your own and you've done your research and try to find to solve the problem so people can understand your train of thoughts better and they can provide targeted guidance. I hope this was helpful and you have a good day.